In prime time news this evening, abduction foiled, businessman's life saved after swift response by the police in Spanish Town. 3 more months, government extends the free use period for Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000. And motor vehicle crashes in western Jamaica, costing taxpayers dearly.
Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those of you online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kalisha, lots in the financial week this evening, so the local economy grew better than expected for the third quarter. And if you're looking to do business in Ghana, there may be some news for you, so I'll have the details a little later on.
All right, and for a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Jordan Fort.
Well, Herman, more stakeholders are weighing in on the relinquishing of the rights to the Jamaica Tallawahs for the CPL ahead of next season. The implications on young cricketers and cricket as a whole in Jamaica. I'll have the details of that and more, of course, in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And our question this evening: how do you intend to ring in the new year?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.